Hello everyone, I Kanira Chirag, Faculty of Diploma Computer in Dr. Subhash Technical Campus. Welcome all to Lecture 4 of Unit 2, Introduction to Android. In this lecture, we will discuss about how to set environment for Android application development in Eclipse and in Android Studio. In Eclipse, we have required some of the software. In Eclipse, to set up an environment, we need following software: JDK that provides basic API of Java programming. Android SDK provides API for Android programming. Eclipse, it is an editor for Android programming. ADT plugin, it is a plugin for Eclipse and Android SDK. Step 1, we need to obtain. Step 1 is the obtain the Android SDK. We need to obtain the Android software development kit. To do that, we must first visit the SDK download site below. Scroll to the bottom of the web page and select the download the SDK tool button. This will open a file to be saved somewhere. Second step is install the Android SDK. Open the file we just downloaded. This will open executable which will ask you about the installation process. When you get to install location screen, make sure your choice a location you remember. We will need it later. Third step is open Android SDK Manager. We will select the most recent version along with the extra SDK tools so you can build application for any Android version. Open the folder that we installed the SDK into. You will see executable called SDK Manager. Open it. You will see a window where you can select different version of Android to develop for. Step 4, install Android version and extra for SDK. Select the tool and Android 4.42 means API 19 checkboxes. If you would like to have extra Android tool, you can choose them. For the extra selection, you will then be prompted to accept the Android condition and then SDK will install. Then installation may take a while depending on your internet connection. The Android SDK is now completely installed. In step 5, obtain Eclipse IDE. Eclipse is the tool we will be using to develop in. It is the most popular Android development environment and is officially supported tool from Google. Download Eclipse from the website below. Find the link for your operating system and 32 or 64-bit version. Save the compressed download file. Now in step 6, Eclipse does not require installation. It is a folder with all necessary file and setting. You can run it directly from the Eclipse folder. It's recommended you put it in a safe place with other application. Extract the downloaded Eclipse file into a safe place where you can keep the program. Open the extracted folder and open the Eclipse executable. You should see a screen similar to the one attachment if all went well. In step 7, add ADT plugin repository. The ADT means Android Development Tool plugin was made specifically for Eclipse to increase productivity and integration with your Android work environment. To use it, we first add the Eclipse plugin repository so it know where to find it along with updates. In the Eclipse application menu, go to Help and then Install New Software. Click on the Add button. You will see a window appear. Give the repository a name like ADT repo and give it location, this link, and click OK button. Next step is install ADT plugin. Now that we have the plugin repo set up, we need to install the plugin from it. On the install software screen, select the repo you just created from the work with selector. Select the developer tool option from the listed below option. Click next and accept the agreements. Click finish and let it install. It might take a while depending on your internet speed. Next step is access ADT plugin preferences. In this step, you will most likely to have to restart Eclipse after you install the ADT plugin, so don't that before you continue. After Eclipse has restarted, click Window in the application menu, then select Preferences. In the Preferences window, select the Android tab on the left side and its corresponding drop down menu. This is the ADT preference screen. It will allow you to change settings, remove the SDK and make editor preferences for your development. In step 10, set up ADT plugin. Click Browse on the right side of the screen. Search for the folder in which you installed the Android SDK into and select it. Hit the Apply button on the preference screen. You should see the Android version you installed early to show up if all went well. If not, try reselecting the folder. Make sure the folder contains folders Build, Tools, Platform, Extra, and etc. Hit the OK button and restart Eclipse. Next step is 11. Access ADT Android Virtual Device Manager. To test your application, we need to add an Android virtual device. If you don't have a personal device, in the application menu, select Window and then Android Virtual Device Manager. Here you can create a new devices. In step 12, AVD configure. Give your device a name in AVD name. You want to check mark use host CPU. The other options are up to you and can be played with to figure out what works best. When done, hit OK. In step 30, AVD launch. Select AVD and start and launch with option. So this is all the installation in Eclipse. And now we see the how to install Android Studio. To set up an environment, we need following software: JDK 1.7, JDK that provides basic API of Java programming. Android Studio, download .exe file from Google website. So install JDK first, and Android Studio installation will be undertaken by following setup. In step 1, we will use click Next. Took me to the following panel, which provides the option to decline installation and Android virtual device. In steps 2, I choose to keep the default setting. After clicking Next, I was taken to the Configure Setting panel, where I asked to choose where to install Android Studio. Next step is step 3. I kept the default installation location and clicked the Next and was greeted with the Choose Start Menu Folder panel. In step 4, I keep the default setting and clicked Install. The following installing panel appeared. In 6, clicking Show Detail caused the name of the file being installed and other activities to be displayed. When installation finished, the Installation Complete panel appeared. After clicking Next, the installation present the completing Android Studio setup panel. So these are the steps how to install Android Studio. Thank you for watching this lecture. For more video, like our YouTube channel and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this lecture.